Welcome to One and All. I am Sir Sunil, your physics teacher. Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. Okay, we have completed our first chapter and also I have given the question answers to you. I hope that you have already seen the question answers in the PDF and also the video. Okay, students, now today we are going to start our second unit, physical quantities and measurement. Our second unit is physical quantities and measurement. Okay, students, those who have the book, please take out your book. Others, please stay on video. Okay, students, first of all, we are going to discuss about measurement and its importance. What is the importance of measurement in our life? There are many situations which we have to use measurements. For example, when we give a certain piece of cloth to the tailor for stitching a trouser, okay, he takes the measurement for length of trouser with his measurement tape. First, what he will do? First, he will take the measurement for the length of our trouser with his measuring tape. The peon in the school, okay, always we are going to school. We are going to school. What the peon's duty? What was the peon's duty? To ring the bell after each period. For this, what he was doing, you know, what he is doing actually, he measures time interval with a clock. Always he will watch the clock and he measures time interval with a clock. When we buy fruits, another situation, when we buy fruits and vegetables, the vegetable vendor measures their mass by his balance. He weighing the weight by his balance. And when we are suffering from fever, what the doctor will do? Doctor measures our body temperature with a thermometer. Okay, students, there are many situations we have discussed now which we are supposed to use measurements in our life. Our senses of touch or sight are not reliable for measurement. By touching or by seeing, we cannot say that. We can't say that the correct measurement of anything or the substance. The senses are subjective. Therefore, we must make use of tools or instruments to get an exact measurement. Our senses are not that much accurate for the measurement. That's why we have to use some type of tools or instruments to get an exact measurement. Okay, students? So now the point comes, measurement is basically a process of comparison. So students, measurement is actually a comparison. For the measurement, we need a universally accepted unit. For each and every measurement, we need a universally accepted unit. And then we find how many times that unit is contained in the given quantity. For example, if we say that the length of a room is 5 meters, we can mean that the unit of length is meter and the length of room is 5 times the unit meter. So here we are using a unit that is meter. Okay, meter. If we say the mass of sugar is 2 kilogram, we mean that the unit of mass is kilogram. And the mass of sugar is 2 times the unit kilogram. 2 times the unit kilogram. Here another one, kilogram. Another unit comes kilogram. Thus, a measurement needs 2 things. That's why a measurement needs 2 things. First one, that it is the unit U, and the number n which tells us how many times that unit is contained in that quantity. Okay, for the measurement we need two things. Okay, first one that it is the unit u. Another one, the number n, which tells us how many times that unit is contained in that quantity. Thus, a measurement is expressed as measurement is equal to n into u, that is equal to nu. Okay, students, the measurement is equal to n into u is equal to nu. Now we are going to discuss the point choice of unit. Choice of unit. Okay, students, the unit must have the following property. The unit must have the following property. First one, it should be convenient size. It should be of convenient size. It should be convenient for us. The measurement which we are choosing, that should be convenient for us. And second one, it must be universally accepted. It must be universally accepted. That means its value must remain same as all places and all times. Okay, students, the value of the measurement should be remain same at all places and at all times. It should not be changed. It should not be changed of place or time. It should not be changed of place or time. With the place of time, the basic measurement should not change. So it must be universally accepted. These 2 points please mark and keep. Okay, students, thus to measure a quantity, we choose a non-fixed quantity of that kind as the unit. Then find how many times that fixed quantity is contained in the given quantity. So now we can conclude the definition of the measurement. Okay, then what is measurement? See, measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a non-fixed quantity of the same kind. Measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a non-fixed quantity of the same kind. So please underline and keep this point. All of you please underline and keep this point. The definition of measurement. We are discussing about the measurement in this chapter. Okay, students, don't forget. Clear? Okay, here we got the definition of measurement. Measurement is a comparison of an unknown quantity with a non-fixed quantity of the same kind. The value obtained on measuring a quantity is called its magnitude. What is its magnitude? Is the magnitude. The value obtained on measuring a quantity. The value obtained on measuring a quantity, that is called its magnitude. The magnitude of a quantity is expressed as numbers in its unit. For example, to measure the lengths between 2 points, we take a ruler of length 1 meter as unit, and if the length on measuring is 15 times the unit meter, then we write length is equal to 15 meter. Okay, students, this is one good example. If we want to find out length between 2 points, we take the ruler of length 1 meter as unit, and if the length on measuring is 15 times if you are repeating, if you are measuring, the unit will come 15 meter. So always we are using a ruler to make the measurement of the length. So here we are getting one important fact or interesting fact. In the past, different units were used to measure the length, mass and time in different countries. The following three systems of units were used in the past. Okay. First one, centimeter, gram, second. The short form is CGS system. Okay, students, underline centimeter, gram, second. The past we are using. Another one, foot pound second, FPS, foot pound second system, and meter kilogram second, MKS system. Okay, these are the three methods, three systems we were using in past days. Centimeter, gram second, CGS, foot pound second, FPS, meter kilogram second, MKS or metric system. The units of length, mass and time in these systems were listed below. We can have a look here. Okay, CGS, unit and symbol of length, that is cm. Unit and symbol of mass of CGS, that is gram. Unit and symbol of time, that is second, s. In FPS, that is foot, pound and a second. In FPS, that is foot, pound and a second. Foot, pound and second, FT, LB and S are the symbols. In MKS, meter, kilogram, second. The short form, that is the unit M, kg, S. Okay, students, next we are going to discuss about the basic physical quantities. Basic physical quantities. Before it, we can have a look, we can have a recap today's portion. See, first of all, we have discussed about the measurement and its importance. Okay, understood? I hope you already understood the topic. Second, we have gone to discuss measurement is basically a process of comparison. Then we have discussed about the choice of unit and definitions. Okay, students? These are the few points we have discussed, and then we have discussed centimeter, gram, second, CGS, foot, pound, second, FPS, meter, kilogram, second, MKS system. Like that, simple points we have discussed today. You just go through it. If you have any doubt, you can ask to me. Okay, students? So, we are going to conclude today's section. Thank you and have a nice day.